This is the 4 foot by 6 foot area rug. I got this area rug for putting under my drum kits, and I just pulled it out of the bag. As you can see, there are a couple of fold marks, but I have no qualms about it because I believe those are going to disappear very quickly. This thing is lightweight to the point where it is able to be machine washable, and there is a non-slip backing here. So even if you're wondering if it's going to pull away, it is not. I absolutely love this design. This is the blue design that they have. And the fabric on here, or I guess I should say the pile, is low, but it is super soft. So I'm fairly impressed with this. I don't think this is going to give me any issues, and I don't think it's going to give me any issues as I roll it up day in and day out and use it for my drum kit purposes. If you're looking for a rug, whether in your home, because I think this design is beautiful, or you're using it like me, I would highly recommend this rug.